everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to enroll in BNY online banking account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in login.bnymellonwealth.com/enroll/. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to enroll in the online services for your accounts. You'll be able to find various services over here: private banking, cash management access account, investment management. Since you want to enroll to your banking, what you have to do is check on this option, private banking. Or if you want to enroll into the business banking, you'll have to click on this link, business electronic banking application. Now after you click on the option of your choice, click on the option continue. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. This step is for account and validation. You'll have to enter the information over here. First of all, you'll have to enter your account info. What you have to do is enter your private banking account over here. Simply click on this field. Now enter the account number. Make sure to enter the correct number. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter the validation information. What you have to do is enter the first 6 digits of the social security number. After doing that, you'll have to enter the last name and first name. Click on the field of last name and enter the last name over here. Likewise, click on the field of first name and enter the first name. Now what you have to do is enter the 5-digit zip code over here. Simply enter it. Now after you provide all these informations, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After you click on the continue option, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, you have to provide your login credentials. You'll have to enter the username and password. Make sure to create a very strong password for yourself. After you set up the login credentials for yourself, you have to confirm the self-enrollment. Simply confirm all the information that you provided and you'll be enrolled into BNY online banking account. So that is how you enroll into BNY online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.